Okay guys, get your DIY hats on today because I have some super epic DIYs to show you. I've made mini slime school supplies. That's right guys, these DIYs are super cute and looked exactly like the real thing. By special request, we're bringing back the MacBook Air giveaway, so if you guys want to win a MacBook Air, all you need to do is be part of this family and subscribe. Good luck to you guys and mini glue hugs! Alright, let's get on with the video. Let's go! Ever wondered if it was possible to make a mini slime pencil? Well, I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. First, take a plain white straw and cut it up into smaller pieces. 5 centimeters or 2 inches is a good length for this DIY. Next, take a piece of pencil lead and break it into roughly the length of your straw. Break off a small piece of air dry clay like dicer clay and soften it a little by massaging it. And then just mold it roughly around your pencil lead. You kind of want a thick block of it like this. Yep, it kind of looks weird, but now it's time for the magic. Just push your straw straight into the clay and pencil lead and remove the excess clay. Next, take some brown dicer clay and mold a small blob of it around your pencil nib to mimic the wooden part. Remove the eraser from a normal pencil and start cutting away the metallic ring using some wire cutters. And guys, this is super dangerous, so get parental supervision for this part. You only need a thin section of it, so this should do just fine. Now just bend it into shape and pop it around the end of your mini pencil, and if you're lucky, it'll fit perfectly like mine did. Next, squeeze out a small amount of white glue and color it red or pink. Then activate it like you would any other slime until you're happy with it. Don't know about you, but there's something satisfying and cute about making tiny slimes. After we're done getting distracted by the slime, just break off a small bit of it and pop it into the end of your pencil. This just looked really cute to me, and I don't know why, but it kind of reminded me of a strawberry ice cream scoop. Anyways, we're done with our mini slime pencil, and the best thing about it is that it actually works. Does anyone else here see the irony of putting slime back into an Elmer's glue container? Yep, we're just gonna run with it because it's cute. Keep your eyes glued to the screen, you don't want to miss this. Get it? Okay, moving on. First up, we turned a lip balm container into a mini Elmer's glue stick by using a printed label and some orange acrylic paint. Next, we took a small amount of white glue and turned it into a simple slime using activators. Wengie, we have a DIY to make, you know? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so just pop the simple white slime straight into your mini glue container. We definitely try to fit more than it could handle, so cut away the excess slime and now you're good again. Has anyone cut slime with scissors before? It's actually pretty satisfying. Anyways, now we have our mini glue slime, and it should look pretty convincing because slime is technically glue anyways. Okay guys, hold on to something because this slime phone DIY might just blow you away. First, we print out a small phone screen and cut it to size. Next, glue it down onto a piece of thicker cardboard. Cut out the cardboard following the phone outline as accurately as you can. Next, get some clear tape and cover the phone screen with it. Leave a small amount of tape around the edges so you can fold it over so it's secure. Fold 2 opposite ends first, then cut away the corners, then fold down the remaining 2 sides. Next, we're gonna give our phone a super cute glitter case, so stick the phone down onto the underside of the glitter paper. And then just cut away the glitter paper following the outline of the phone closely again. Now we're gonna stick a separate printed phone screen onto some thin foam board. Next, use an X-Acto knife to cut the foam board along the phone outline under parental supervision, of course. Then we need to actually cut out the foam board along the phone screen so we can actually pop the whole screen out. So we're now left with the outline of the phone itself, which is what we want. Next, we need to just stick the frame of the phone on top of our original phone. Finally, cut out a small strip of glitter paper, and we're gonna stick this around the edges of our foam layer to complete the phone case. Yes guys, we're being super extra in this DIY and going all out. But honestly, how pretty does this phone look now? Totally worth the effort. Next, we're gonna take some clear glue and add some activator to make a clear slime. We prepared some earlier and let it sit for 24 hours so the bubbles would clear up, and now we pour it straight into our phone. That's right guys, we're making a clear slime phone screen. I actually can't believe how well this DIY turned out. It's super cute and so satisfying to look at and play with. To take a mini glue bottle, we're gonna need these glitter glue tubes. More specifically, we need the straight part of the tube. So obviously get an empty tube and cut away the straight portion to make a short cylinder. I don't know if I need to remind you guys, but these things are dangerous, get parental supervision. Next, take some pliers and squeeze the sides of your tube, which will turn it into an oval shape. Next, squeeze out a big blob of hot glue and press the cylinder straight into the glue while it's hot. When it's dry, just peel off the excess glue around the edge, and now we have a base. Repeat this step with the top as well, and now both ends should be completely sealed. Now squeeze the top end really firmly until you can pop out the hot glue completely. Next, take the squeeze end of our glitter glue and cut a small nib off. You'll also need to cut off a small plastic disc from the lid. Now use hot glue to assemble your mini lid, placing the disc onto the flat lid and then the small nib onto the disc. Yes guys, sorry if this is getting confusing, but it should make sense if you watch carefully. You can scroll back and rewatch it if you need. Next, I painted the lid in typical Elmer's glue colors using white and orange. Next, just place some pre-made clear slime into your mini glue bottle, which you may need to squish down. Chop away the excess slime. Still so satisfying. Next, print out a small Elmer's glue label and cut it out, and then use magic to stick it onto your mini glue bottle. Abracadabra! Now pop your mini lid onto the bottle and you are done. This mini DIY was super intricate, but in the end it turned out so well. It looked almost exactly like a miniature replica of a real Elmer's glue bottle. Except instead of glue, there's slime inside, which is made of glue. Okay. Now I'm confused. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these mini school supply slime DIYs. Let me know which one your favorite is down below. And also, I've been wearing my little pixie unicorn merch. So if you guys want to check out my merch, it is linked down below, unicornclub.us. And don't forget to check out my new song, Lace Up, that is still out. How many times have you guys played it? And I've linked it down below for you guys if you haven't seen it already. Don't forget to enter the MacBook Air giveaway. All you need to do is be part of the family. So good luck to you guys. And until next week, I'm going to miss you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys! Love you!